there's a photograph of me as Apollo and Daphne with my bow raised to the sky, and there's a lightning strike off towards Los Alamos. The theater itself is, again, going back to the old theater, it's out in the open, inviting before the second and the third iteration of the theater, inviting nature to come visit. And the performers all knowing that if nature comes to visit, it's going to be a very interesting production that the audience is going to experience, and the artists. It infused all of us with an energy that is, again, unique, distinctive. There's no other place that I know of where one is stimulated in the same way. The first time I'd ever sung on a stage that was open in the back. Being truly a part of nature, feeling the wind blow against you, feeling the rain when it comes down, looking at the sky, looking up at the stars. You can't do that at the Metropolitan Opera. You can't do that at La Scala. You can only do that in Santa Fe. So it was really the land of enchantment that's surrounding that place, the Opera House. All of that was unforgettable, unforgettable.